It is Sunday Fun Day, and we are working on Bruce's car. It's April 8th, and we've got a lot to do tomorrow. As being Monday, a lot of places open up. So today we got a bunch of stuff. Look at him. Tyler's turning music on. Quit doing that. So anyways, I'm gonna try to turn it on right now. All right. So anyways, we are taking the rear end of Bruce's car so that we can get it rebuilt. And actually, I sold him the rear end out of my Pro Charge car, 5-lug swap, all the brakes and all that fun stuff, Cobra brakes, and it's already built. So we're gonna take this out. He wants to go and put gears in it, so he already ordered that for us. We're gonna repaint it. It is a little bit rough, but you know what, Bruce? That's what we're here for, just to clean these bad boys up and restore them. He's gonna get new brake lines for it and whatnot. So somebody with a Fox body is gonna be buying that from Bruce, I'm sure. Anyways, what else we've been doing today, Tyler?
Primed front rear bumpers and the front fenders. This is our new primer that we just got, so I like
Mystic.
it.
Yeah,
it's pretty nice. Front the whole car. Come over here on the Mystic.
Yeah, on the car.
Whole car's prepped. We're going to paint the roof separate just so it turns out better. It's ready to go in the booth. But we've been doing the brake calipers. We've been getting so many calipers, so many export mirrors. What else we get, Brent? Just crazy odd and ends of paint. So I appreciate the business from you guys. But,
yeah, brakes. And
we got 2 sets of brakes right in the paint booth, so come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Just got done with it. And we rewrapped the ceiling of the paint booth. So it's really nice, and hopefully we don't get a lot of debris. Check it out though.
All right, so we got some gold brake calipers from Canada. Our guy Matt, or I don't know, Brian or somebody sent this. I think his name's Matt too. I'm messing around. All right,
so this is Sunburst Gold, paint code BP, and we did the black lettering. I did the lettering first, and I clear coated in because I wanted gloss. We got new boots. We're going to reuse the pistons because they're fine, and all new hardware that we're going to put on these. He does have just GT rear caliper brackets, which is fine. It's not really worth the upgrade, honestly. So that's fine right there. Then we got these from North Carolina.
I believe so. Yep.
North Carolina.
Yep. His name's Malloy, I think.
Yeah, Malloy. YN silver, like off of 03 Cobra with black lettering. So I did the lettering at the same time, and then I clear coated everything. Probably about, I don't even know, 5 minutes ago?
Yeah, maybe 5 minutes ago. So we shouldn't touch it.
So now we're going to let that dry for probably another hour, pull it out, pull Bruce's rear end. He sent us he actually did like a 2-day shipping.
Yeah, it was fast, really fast.
Gears, or 355, one of the two. Brand new, we're going to take it to our old guy over in Louisville. He's going to rebuild it, probably take an hour for him to rebuild. Get it back, we're going to paint it, take it to New York. We're going to New York this weekend. We're going to go to New Hampshire this weekend, and we're going to go to Virginia this weekend. So we're going to be on a road trip.
What else are we doing tonight? We're painting what?
We're painting the roof of the Mystic tonight. So you'll see that on the video, on this video right here. So it's coming up soon. So we're going to let that dry. So right now we're going to work on Bruce's car until this is dry, and then we'll pull the car in, and we're going to wrap it up. We'll do a time lapse wrapping it up and shit like that. So anyway, we're going to go pull the rear end.
solid.
All right, guys.
Nice. Check it out. I mean, there's like no rust.
All the bolts came out really nice. The only thing is as Bruce, you already know, but we had a hell of a time getting these dumbass wheel locks off, and the lug nuts were tightened down so much they were like rusted on there. But we figured they've been on there since about 2009 when the tires were put on. So
we went and just soaked them in like PB Blaster WD-40, and they came right off after about 30 minutes.
So anyway, this rear end is not going back into this car. Bruce actually purchased the built Mosier axle rear end from Brent's Pro Charge car that he parted out. So this car, I think we're going to put 355s. I didn't even check. 355s, 373s, one of the two. I don't know what it is. So this is getting rebuilt. We're going to haul it back up, and he's going to put it in another project he has. So this car's getting 5 lug swap. He's getting Brent's front spindles, hubs, and the front Cobra brakes, and then his Cobra rear end fully built. So that's what's going in this car. But we are going to paint this for him, even though it's very rusty. That thing is horrible. But we'll just have to degrease it, pressure wash it, soak it, let it sit. We're going to take it to our guy to let him rebuild it first, and then we're going to paint it. The brake lines are all nasty, so he'll have to get new lines. We're going to take them out and just junk them. They're trash. He did get a new Ford Racing diff cover, and I love you, Bruce. You did buy brand new. Check this out. Here's the diff cover. I'm not going to unwrap it for the video, but it's right there. And he bought brand new diff cover bolts, Ford ones. I mean, who else would do that? Bruce would do that, and that's why we love you, Bruce, because you actually buy the correct parts and you don't want to cheap out on anything. So that's good. His gears are in here. I don't remember. I think he said 355 because I think this one actually has 373s. Here's the old Reef Blue right here. Love this car. Can't wait to start on it. We're going to start on it in the next couple weeks. Brent got Bruce's lower control arms, upper control arms, rear shocks, rear springs, all that out. And
exhaust cat back.
Oh yeah, we got the cat back off right there, the mags off, the freshly painted gold we brought out there. So anyway, I got the Mystic in the booth. Everything's taped up, and we got all this area cleaned up too, which and I bought, you guys probably don't care, but I bought these shelves so now I can keep all my stuff organized. So Diamond, we got all the stuff, and we got some valve covers that came in that are going Sonic Blue. So we'll show more of that tomorrow. They were rough as hell, so we had to prime them. We weren't expecting that. So anyway, here's the car. It's already prepped, wiped down, everything's ready to roll. And we're gonna do the roof Mystic tonight. Now a lot of places would not just do the roof separate. I'm doing it because it turns out better. And you know, we just gotta TKO it, you know, so we gotta do it right. And I think the paint job's gonna turn out better if I do the roof separately. And then we'll do the body probably Wednesday, and we'll be set from there. So tomorrow we're going to be doing front rear bumper fenders, and you know, so the next video you guys will see that stuff. So anyway, I'm just doing the roof separate. It's just my preference, and I like it. Yeah, it takes more time, more work, but I think it's worth it. So Chris, we got it set. So anyway, I got the Mystic all mixed up in the gun, ready to spray. So we'll be back after we get some clear coat on it. If I spray the Mystic down, it's just going to look exactly like that, because that's what's on there is Mystic, and it looks black. So anyway, we'll be back after some clear coat.
So we finally got the notch apart. Most of the suspension is done. Got the old calipers here. Got the bolt off the ball joint. Got the struts out. Springs are out. Just got to get the steering rack out. Other than that, looking good on the front end. Whole rear end's out, exhaust, control arms, exhaust hangers, all that fun stuff. And then Tyler was knocking some stuff out in the paint booth. So what'd you get done in there?
We got the roof done tonight. Let's go. All right, there she is. We got a total of 2 dirt nibs, but not bad. The first coat, there was nothing in there, and then the second coat there was, but that ain't nothing. This thing turned out great. It was, dude, look at that.
It looks like perfect.
That is, like I said, 2 little dirt nibs, actually 3.
That's
nothing.
The smoothest clear coat that ever.
Yeah, that clear coat is awesome, but it looks awesome. It just looks like it just never-ending waterfall or something like that. What do you call that? The pools?
The what?
The pools that have they look like they never end. Is that called a never ending?
Infinity pool.
Infinity pool. That's what it looks like back here. it looks like an infinity pool. So anyway, that's good. I literally just clear coated probably 15 minutes ago, and I really don't even want Brent in here because he's all nasty from doing all that stuff, just because his clothes has lint and stuff on it. So anyway, we're gonna end the video here, and we're trying to catch up to all your all's emails, so don't take it personal if we don't message or email you back for a while. We're just getting overwhelmed, and sometimes I honestly just look over them and miss them. So the best thing to do, just be right like in the subject like TKO or something like that, so it catches my eyes, because some of you guys I just kind of skip over, and I look back and I was like, dang, that was 2 months ago, and then I finally replied. So anyway, we'll be back in the morning. It's what is it, 2 o'clock?
It's about 1:30, yeah.
Oh, 1:20 right now in the morning. So it's Mystic Monday. So anyway, we're gonna do more Mystic parts in the morning, so we'll be back.
Slow down. I tell him, I'm on the case getting sideways. $1.45 on the highway. You know a nigga state to state on a dolo mission. I got a date with the